Hey there! In this episode of Analytics Academy, I'm going to show you how you can use a tool called Attributor to capture lead source data in ClickFunnels so that you can track where all of your leads are coming from. Let's jump in. Attributor is a small bit of code you add to your website. When a visitor lands on your site, it detects where they came from and saves the data in a cookie. Then when they complete a form on your website, it writes the data into hidden fields in the form, and the data is captured by your form tool and can be sent to your CRM and other tools. Finally, you can use this data to run reports that show things like how many leads you got from your Google ads, how many customers you got from your Facebook ads, or how much revenue was generated from your SEO efforts. Now that you understand how it works, let's see how easy it is to set up. When you sign up for a free trial, you'll get given a bit of code to add to your website. You'll need to copy the code from your account, then go to the funnel you want Attributor to work with, select the Show Code option from the menu, and paste it into the header code box. Now go to the form you want Attributor to work with and drag and drop 6 input fields into your form. Once added, open them up, change the input type to custom type, and give them a name. You can see the exact names and values you need to enter in the help article on the Attributor website. Finally, grab the additional code snippet from the Attributor help doc and paste it into the code section of the page. This will hide the fields and tell Attributor to write the UTM parameters into them. That's it, you're done. Now when someone completes a form on your page, Attributor will write information on where they came from into these hidden fields, and it will be captured by ClickFunnels. You can then include this information in your lead notification emails, store it in a spreadsheet, send it to your CRM, whatever you need. To learn more and start a free trial, visit attributor.io today.